Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will learn how you can install Bootstrap in your project. So there are two ways of installing Bootstrap. First one is using CDN, and second one is downloading the Bootstrap files and embedding it manually in your project. So here is the introduction. Here is a getbootstrap.com website, which is an official documentation website for Bootstrap. You can find a lot of information about Bootstrap on this website. So on a doc link, I have this introduction, and you have a heading here, quick start, and you can simply copy this link and simply paste it here. Let's open the folder. So simply let's copy it and simply paste it. Let's save it and let's open this folder. And here you can find this file. Well, if you want to check either it has been working perfectly or not, you can simply use a button, and you need to add a btn primary class, and let's add click me. And if you see a button similar to this one, then then it's working perfectly. So let's understand the code. So basically we have a starting HTML page, and inside this head we have this link, and we have basically linked a bootstrap.bin.css file here. And just before the body tag we have another tag, which is script tag, and this file, and we have this bootstrap.bundle.min.js file. So these two files are necessary for Bootstrap: bootstrap.bundle.min.js and bootstrap.min.js. And if you want and if you don't want to use Bootstrap bundle.js, you can use separately popper.min.js and bootstrap min.js. Basically these two files are bundled in bootstrap.bundle.js. So this is the first way of using Bootstrap, and second way is by downloading it. So simply click on this download button, and then simply download this compiled CSS and JS file. It will download the zip file. Simply extract it, and here we have this a lot of CSS files and JS file. So we need only two files. I am just commenting it. Now simply create a simple page structure by using exclamation sign, and then press tab. It will generate a simple web page structure. So inside head you need to add a link tag, and before the closing body tag you need to add a script tag here, and add source attribute here. So basically you need to embed a CSS file. So basically you can use this bootstrap.css file, or you can use this bootstrap.min.css file. So basically bootstrap min.css file is a minified version of this file. So and it is used for production. So this is the file in which there is no extra spaces available. Other files are optional. You need to embed only this file, this or this. So let's use this bootstrap.min.css. So just copy it and come to the folder where your project is locating. Simply paste it and add here bootstrap.min.js. Similarly, you need to copy JS file. So there are also many files available here. So you need to copy this bootstrap.min.js. You have also bootstrap.js. So you need to only choose one from this or this. There are also other files available. So if you choose bootstrap min.js, so you also need to download the popper.js and you need to also need to embed that popper.js file as well. So basically we have this bootstrap bundle dot or bootstrap bundle dot min.js. So we will simply copy this file and embed this file instead of downloading popper.js separately. So simply paste it and just embed it here, bootstrap.min.js. Now simply open this and just add a button here, click me, and if I refresh it you can see this click me button. Now just add a bootstrap class, btn primary, and yes, it's working perfectly. So in this way bootstrap works. So I hope it makes sense. So keep learning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next video.